hoping that your packets are the same as mine. When we were getting these together, we were kind of doing it in a hurry, so I'm hoping that they match up. But if they don't, that is okay. By this time, boys and girls, you are very familiar, meaning you know what these worksheets look like, and you can pretty much tell what you're supposed to do. So for today, this is today's packet, and on our handwriting, we are struggling with our handwriting this year, but you have the gray letters and you know to trace the gray letters. This also gives you an idea of how your letters need to look, where they sit, where they touch. Okay, our tall letters go all the way to the top. Lowercase, most of them are from the dotted line down. Okay, lowercase letters sometimes go way past the red line, or lowercase letters can be tall. But you need to look at these letters to help you make your letters the same way. So here we're practicing the Y family, and you're going to write the Y family across the line. You're going to put these words right underneath the letters and the words that are here. So looking at the gray letters will help you make your letters nice and neat. Okay, so you're going to trace the gray letters first and then write the same words that are on your paper on the blank writing lines. Here's our phonics paper. Now again, because you all have had so many of these, just by looking, you should be able to tell what you need to do, but Mom and Dad can help you with the directions. So here you're marking your words, okay? You remember that a one vowel word, the vowel says a short sound, so you put a smile over it. We also put our number for how many vowels there are, and you can underline the blend, okay? So some of these are one vowel words, some of them are two vowel words. None of these words have special sounds in them, so you don't need to worry about that. So here you are finding the missing word for each sentence, and the words that you're using are over here. Now, you don't have to mark the words in this section, but you know that Miss Wynn tells you that if you're not sure what a word says, mark it first. Try to sound it out, okay? Remember, the is a sight word, okay? We don't mark it. Down here, we've done this a lot. Now, we do not have pictures to help us figure out what these words are. So you know that Miss Wynn says if you're trying to choose between two letters, you have to try both of them in the word to see which one makes a word. Now, this one, and this one are going to be one vowel words because we don't have a vowel here and we're choosing a vowel. So that's the only vowel. It's going to say a short sound. With these, you see we already have a vowel and we're choosing a vowel. So these, the vowels that you're choosing, are going to say a long sound, okay? And you just have to try both. So this is not aid, haid. I, hide is the better choice. So you have to try both, okay? On the back, and this is something that we've done before too. These are the special sounds that we're going to be putting into these words. So you don't have to do anything with these special sounds. They're just here letting you know that you're going to be using each one of these in these words, okay? So when you say what the picture is, you're listening for the special sound, and it's going to be one of these. And when you figure out what the special sound is, you're going to put it on the writing lines. This one's pretty easy because you already know what it's going to be. But the pictures are stop, clock, fish, dress, brick, train. Choose the special sound and write it on the lines. Okay, and then our math for today. Again, just by looking, you should be able to tell what to do. But here you have to read the number word. Now, normally in our classroom, we have our number word chart. What moms and dads can do is write the numbers and then write the number word underneath, or they can try and help their child read the words. But these are tricky words because they don't follow a lot of our phonics rules, okay? So you're going to read the word and circle that many objects, okay? Mom and Dad can help you with the directions for these. Let me turn the page. And on the back of this one, at the very top, you are finding the answers for the number sentences and then connecting the dots. You can decide whether you want to do this or not. Basically, it's like a little quiz, and Mom and Dad can give you the directions. Basically, you're doing your addition, and then they can give you the directions and see if you can do it. Okay, that's not required though, because that's something that I normally do here in the classroom, but feel free to do that part anyway. Okay, and I do want to tell you, I don't have, each packet that you have has the writing paper with the writing prompt. I don't have those right now, but you can choose whichever ones you want. Like if you wanted to do a writing prompt that may be for another day in a packet, you can do that as well. All right.